What's up, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, of course, out here on the water again. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, excuse me. One of the first things I'm going to do out here today is I'm going to show you guys, take some video from the side game changer mount, and I'm going to show you guys the phone mount in action and how well it holds, how it works, and so on. It's not really rough out here, but there is a slight chop, so you guys will be able to see once I switch over to the 360 camera how this phone mount performs. So let's get to it. Alright guys, there's the RX-TX phone mount. One thing to note on these are in limited supply. I've always got them, but they use actual quad lock technology. So depending on the availability of those, sometimes you may have to wait to get one of these in your hands. So when they are in stock, grab them. So that's the only advice I can give you. Guys, I'm going to get back out here, have some fun, do some riding. We'll see you on the water. Check out our Facebook group, Nature Coast Ski Riders. So come see us.